Okay, welcome to another lesson. In this lesson, we are going to dive deeper into what Figma is and how to get it and how to install it and everything. So let's get started with it. If you already have Figma, you don't have to worry about it. But if you want to just like remember how to do it, and if somebody asks you where to get Figma from, you could probably, show them that. So let's get into it. So Figma, if you go to figma.com, it will take you to the Figma's website, and then they follow this like brutalism kind of design, so it's pretty cool. And it lets you use Figma for free, and only there are certain like paid versions and enterprise version that will cost you. If you're an educator, it's also free for you, and but you can get started for free. You are There are certain limitations, but that will not hold you back from designing or able to deliver work and everything. So Figma is a collaborative design, prototyping, developer handoff, and presentation, and also a whiteboard. So they are adding multiple suites right now. So here you can see it will let you design user interfaces such as the mobile apps, web apps, if you are a freelancer, agency owner, somebody working in-house in a company, or working in an agency, or working for larger enterprise. Most of them use Figma. And then it's designed to do developer handoff efficiently and also do brainstorming. So it's kind of Figma is turning into more of entire product development tool, and it's going to be very crucial for you to learn in order to be a good and effective product designer. So they have also launched FigJam. So you can learn more about Figma from figma.com, and it walks you through different features, and then you can get started for free, and you click here and it lets you get started for free. In order to download it, you can also do this. You can type download Figma. You can use Figma both on the browser as well as on the a dedicated desktop app as well. So you can go here if you're using Mac, Windows, and everything, and then you can also download Figma Mirror app if you want to test out your mobile device and everything. We'll look into that as well. And the FigJam is available for iPad. If you want to download the Figma app, this is going to be the main thing. We might not need that for now, but you can get it for Mac, Windows, and download direct by clicking on this. You'll download the file and you'll get the Figma. And if you want to use it in the browser, you can get started from here. Log in if you already have an account. If you are a student, if you can use your university credential to get like this student discounts and everything. You'll be able to see different pricing and seats. You can use the free version for now, but if you want the advanced version, you can get it from here. And the FigJam is priced separately, and then we're gonna dive deeper into mostly Figma. You can get it from here. It unlocks certain features such as the modes and things like that, which we might be needing. And yeah, so let's get started. Download Figma, and then we can dive deeper into the interface and setting up the files.